Jashii or nothing. I mean, that is when Jashii sang drop, you post one old video with you and Jashii a par or nothing. Masicka. Mind, you know. Careful, you know. Man, remember saying, I don't on nobody's side, you know.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I watch it clash. And Jashii the hungry man. Come out, come defend your brawling. I mean, not even see you put 2 fire emoji and that Jashii sang them. I didn't even see you post one cover art for Jashii or nothing. I mean, not even see when Jashii sang drop, you post one old video with you and Jashii a par or nothing. Masicka. Mind, you know. Careful, you know. Man, remember saying, I don't on nobody's side, you know. I don't on the side of music. You know, look good, you know, Masicka. 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 You know, have to bust him baby mother. When you stop put that burden up on the man, him not have to bust him baby mother. If you man are not good, them not good. If them not good, them not good. When you not lead me now something. If you man are a personal issues where you man are in a deal, him not have to bust her. She can bust herself. Sometimes, you and your baby mother, them we have things we can't fix. So, me not take on that. When man and baby mother have a between him and her, he must know why him not bust her. You see me I say? He not forget her no strength. You don't know what she doing before him bust. You don't know what she say. You don't know what them having in them personal space. And same what likewise you don't know what him do she. And you don't know what him say about her. So me not get into that. But a personal business. Fuck that. No business with that. What me I say is Jashii from Sumfest July till now has been defending Masicka. And I don't hear Masicka come out and give Jashii no clout, no strength, no nothing. It's not even like Masicka they not come out brawling and make you know say yo Jashii allegiance. You want to you are the king and the gladiator. You see me? Him not say nothing, him not give Jashii no farmer endorsement. You know me, I said the one time you come talk about Jashii, yeah, I said the man a rumhead. And him did junk. Think about that. I mean, I like that. Jashii not too enough. Loyalty not too enough, you're too enough. When you're loyal to your friend or your brethren, you have to deal with it brawling. Zin, you have to that not enough. You can't call loyalty enough. I saw some people used to say me enough when as you talk about Movado, I may page you. I'm ready for fight, shoot, kill, do anything. If you defend brand Movado. People used to say me enough. But not enough. A loyalty it name. A realness it name. You understand me I say? Who business if man a chat on phone? Chat on phone can't help Jashii. And up on phone Jashii a defend. Dog, oh, me a block you too, you know, cause that statement there alone too done. So if you get a block, you have to get a block. Cause you know what sense. Me tell you say, me tell you say some of them followers there, you know, are Batman style, you know. Where you come talk about the man them a talk on phone? Them a girl? Oh, the man them a talk on phone, Bill. Talk on phone can't help nothing. Music we are dealing. No business with them man want to do in them personal space. That have no. We in a phone? We there in them phone conversation? We see where Jashii come out brawling a different Masicka. You understand me I say? Somebody say, what if Jashii use Masicka? Yeah. Then no good use this? No good use this? So you have help him back. Because you say I'm willing to put him little career where I'm up on the line for you. One more than that you want to see. Even if I achieve him, I try achieve something so wrong with that. Him I try achieve it with you. Remember saying could have take cartel side. 90% of the world I take cartel side. Jashii could have take cartel side too. And left you one out then I will, and it's a Jashii the uncle man. Jashii the uncle man. Come out brawling. And I defend Masicka. And I see Devil Brat come out there and endorse Masicka. Masicka. Whether you like it or not, you have to build a team. You have to put on some other people. You have to do it. You're selfish. Oh, me the man, me just stay to myself and, yo, show me the two like people. Brother. You have to put on some people. You say genocide, so oh, you want to be genocide. That can't make sense. Oh, you want to be genocide. Cannot work. It can't work. You have to bust some people, my youth. You have to put on some people. All of you collab them are with people who bust already. Taurus Riley, Cartel, Dexter Dobbs. All of you collab them. I would be a people who bust already. All of your big song them. Shensia. Come on now. Want to hear look at artists them around here. Want to hear artists them around here. Want to artists who rate you. Cranium. Be a big artist you collab with, brother. Me no see a fight and a go out of your way for bust no name youth. Youth on a name. Or you rate where you want to turn a millionaire to. Because if we do the maths, you can't talk to Cartel when it comes to that. You can't talk to Cartel when it comes to that. You understand me, I say? Cartel no ram for bus artist. Him learn that from kill a whole heap. Or you have a combination with Jashii too, yeah. But you know, I see you put out the effort to turn up genocide. You understand? And you alone want to carry it, it can't work. Imagine if a tree only have one branch. And the whole of the people will look to that one branch there for food. What going to happen? The whole community will suffer. Because when that one branch they grow some fruit and everybody pick up for that one branch there, what happen? Hungry kill everybody. So you alone can't do it, dog. You understand me I say? So you have to come some boom and shoot out some youth. Shoot out a team, man. Remember you not go road, you not go nowhere. But because you're hot, your name keep going. But watch this now. You got to have a stage in your career, come and live this. Where the phone now ring. Call them now come in as much. You are not the go-to artist to spend money. Or you think your name are going to keep buzzing. It's going to be the branches of your tree where you have out there. Just do the maths. Them could have cost killer till them week. A killer gonna, well, I change my statement. I got to stop saying so. Them could have cost killer till a week. A bounty killer and Foota hive. Gonna Cartel and Gonna Mavado. So even if Bounty is not the hottest thing, him accredited to Vybz Cartel and him accredited to Mavado. Him accredited to Elephant Man, Wayne Marshall. So many. So many. So even if him sit down and not say nothing, him name keep ringing. Him keep, if Masicka sit down and not do nothing, who are ringing name? Oh, your name are repeated by nobody? No. Because you are the only entity in genocide that makes sense. And that don't make sense. You understand what I say? So you have to create branches in the family tree. Look on Popcorn. Popcorn even do more countries than Vybz Cartel. Do some ridiculous numbers. When they talk about numbers, I wonder what some of them boys up on the internet will be a fuck with them chat to, you know. Popcorn have platinum plaque and gold plaque with so much collaboration, Drake, Party Next Door, all that, but it's still accredited to Vybz Cartel. And once it's accredited to Vybz Cartel, it accredited to Foota Hype and Bounty Killer. Because we make Vybz Cartel the big brand what it is. And some people, like I say, Foota, you chat too much. What you talk about you and Bunty? Or you dropping at this? You ever want to take glory? I can. Because first thing I want to remember, when you hear about any Bounty Killer story, where Bounty Killer bust other artists, remember this. Bounty Killer does not play music. I want to remember this, you know. These are the key points to understand my greatness. I want to say Bounty Killer is the greatest because, yes, see somebody say, Ziggy Dan say, yeah, Foota hype, or you're dropping it for real. I explain to you now. I credit Bounty Killer for busting so many artists. But you don't remember that Bounty Killer does not play music. At that era, there was no social media. So if you try remember that. There was no social media. Bounty Killer can call you up on a million show. Me can name more than 15 artists of Bounty Killer call up on show and them never bust. Them don't become giant. Which one become giant? Which one of them become giant? Which one of them get the most? The one them where they are playing a dance. Mark, I know me alone used to play music, but me I play them before you know them. And me make other people grab onto them. When Bounty Killer say, yo, a cartel next. Someone are going to say, Scratchy B. Okay, cannot take away what Scratchy B was doing. Scratchy B was playing cartel in Portmore and putting him on mixtapes. Okay? Me. When me know cartel, me don't know him. First night, me see cartel, me don't know who him. Scratchy could have played till him weak, me don't know him. Me don't know no song for him. None at all. Because them time there was no internet. I'm repeat it, there was no internet. You there put more DJ till your show drop out, you could have do 1 million show. If you're in a crossover in a Kingston, crossover into Kingston, you cannot bus. You used to be a country, Mobile, center, you can't bus. If you're in a crossover in a town, I want to say bus, you have to play in a dance a town. Who did respond to that? Me. Me respond to that. When Bounty Killer said, Foota him, I mean inject him in a dance. Me do that. Not Scratchy B. Me. Foota hype do that. And me and Bounty Killer go to Movado. And me and Bounty Killer go to Vibes Cartel. If you don't think I lie, me I tell. Go look on the night when Cartel bus. Because no fan don't know when Cartel bus. Some fan of Gaza fans don't know when Vibes Cartel bus. Vibes Cartel bus up a cinema too. A Bounty Killer, it's a party. Go and dig up that video and look who was playing rhythm for the entire alliance, including Vibes Cartel. Okay? It wasn't Scratchy B. Scratchy B wasn't even there. And me. Did I do that? When him say, give me the hurricane rhythm. Buck the pitch from the turntable and put it on 33. And me did I do that. Where was Scratchy B? Scratchy B there in bed. At that night, the Vibes Cartel bus. And that was stage show. That on a record of playing a dance. And me responsive bus Cartel in a dance. In the street at Jamaica. DJ with a radio after song make. After each song make and a play. Me responsive Vibes Cartel in a dance in a Kingston city. Me do that. Me. Ask him if I lie. Any interview him, I'm going to ask him. Don't argue with me. You don't know history. Me a history. Me a history. Me a do that before Tony Mataran. So when I put Tony Mataran. Tony Mataran is responsible for Vibes Cartel. Tony Mataran wasn't in the alliance. Tony Mataran is a selector player wholly for Bounty Killer even before me. And me response to boss Vibes Cartel in a street at Jamaica. And me I run every weekly event in a Jamaica them time there. Me do that. The history there. Go back, go watch the video. Bounty Killer, It's a Party Cinema 2. Gonna go watch it. And I see him here, the lady saw one boy come on and went for a lady and she run him and call me from around the sound and put me for one chair to sit down and went for me and go on that bag of sitting and then she said, don't worry about him, I want to wee. Me went for him, that boy there too bright. Go back, history there. Me can go to more history too. Fire 2000. Scotland Infantry. See? Fire 2000. Someone just born and they're not going to know. Fire 2000. Scotland Infantry. See? I first time I see cartel in my life. That time Danny English just bust. Danny English would have come like the chronicler of today when Danny English bust. Me, Bounty Killer, Wayne Marshall, Nitty Kochi did it. I don't remember if a butler or butler brother bring Vibes Cartel. I will stand up there so and Killer analyze all the show go and him forward. And then talk to Killer. And him there hold it. But you see saying focus, because I watch him. I don't know him. I don't know him. I don't know who him be. And if I'm a butler brother, I not quite remember. Said to Killer, say, you call him up tonight, and Killer said, no, I not tonight. And turn to Marshall and say, Marshall, when you go to sing when the smoke clear, the battle has been won, then we are going to do this, and we are going to sing what you think, if you're going to squeeze, and and I tell him what we are going to do. That time, Danny English had tear down the whole of Scotland. I'm going to link Horseman for the footage them. Me dead there. When him a forward for enter alliance. Me dead there already. So when you hear me tell you, say, cartel older than me, but me I'm elder. In the alliance something. Him forward come see me. You understand? So, you have to understand how the game go. Me sure know what. Because I go on the history. Me fi save them things for the documentary. But today is Sunday. Chop on buckler. Me go no piece of glory. See? Me go no piece of glory. When me I take on the road, Zine, you have a man named Scrappy. Dancehall reggae that come from Mobile. And him run DVD all over Jamaica. See? The most you used to get from them on the DVD are Passa. I want thing near Zinc Shot and Mobile and Wacky Wednesday and them something there. And them DVD that the man have around the world. So if we never play a Dirty Friday or Passa, we not end up on the DVD there. On the listen history now. Because there was no fucking internet. Listen. Me now, they are my yard. And the ancestor them said to me, say, if you continue that way, you're not going to bust, you know. Come here, you know, about me, the DVD them I got foreign. I'm going to swash them and some different sounds, tone love them and some sound. I go up on the DVD them. So me did there. And the Almighty said to me, say, you need to start get on the DVD there. And me bust that youth too. Who not just hear this for the first time. You have a youth named 2 Grand. Where him and Scrappy work sometime. So me sit down on my yard and me say, Scrappy's a man busy. Him not gonna get fit, roll with you. And the light bulb turn on in my head say, link 2 Grand and start carry 2 Grand at the dance them with you. I saw me link 2 Grand, you know. I saw me link 2 Grand. Ask 2 Grand and you see him. That's why I tell you, some of them people who do interview and I do podcast, them don't know nothing. Them don't know nothing about the street. See? So I go to Boomer and go to Bam and link 2 Grand and say, 2 Grand. Me have an idea, you know. You know, say, I want you start going with me on the road. That's I can record me dance them. Cause every time I got half a tree to buy a CD from Ninja or Jones or Peter, them not have my part I dance. them have Stone Love part, them have Links part, them have Matterant, my part, them cut out. So me I say, I have to eliminate that. So, me link 2 grand and 2 grand, I say, what you mean? So when me I go country, when me I go mobile, when me I go anywhere, that time me don't even have car yet, you know. But me have me designated driver them. Driver name Elim, driver name Owe. So me start pick up 2 grand of Fletcher's land. And so me get to know all the Fletcher's land people, them and me know Pinky from long time. Zine? So me start getting to know everybody, can me start to pick up 2 grand. So more time if you out there beat on 2 grand, yo, you not ready, brother? Zine? So me start carry 2 grand with me, make 2 grand record the dance with my part them now. And then me carry it to Peter down a Constant Spring Arcade and give Ninja them. I don't know man tell me that, you know. God inspire me to do that, you know. So when me a play, my artist them in the dance them, it start make the DVD them and the CD them now. Cause me have my recording person with me. When me a give money to do that. So I saw all of my artists them in an alliance will rise up. I play when me play them it on the recording. And them CD they are come a foreign and I go all board. The CD them I go farther than where me I go. So enough thing to this music where uno no know. Uno just get up and see artists at and feel like an artist alone make artists at. No. I know say it work. The selector them a key component in this thing. Bounty Killer alone couldn't bust them artists there. Kind don't play music. I when Killer have show, you see artists. I want to the rest of weeks and months when them not gonna show. I want to when them go show when they recorded. When you're going to dance, if you not hear your song or your boss. All the people in the dance or know say you're hot. You could have DJ till a week. I want to Hitman all of them where DJ stage show forever. I want to Ricky Ticket them where DJ forever. No Selector now play them. So they not end up boss. We do the ground up. Me. Response to Alliance. Me. Where they are so. Matterant was a bounty killer selector. Matterant was not an Alliance selector. It's a big difference. Matterant never roll with killer go everywhere. And I go every dance and I play and I war and I fight and I kick down and I chop up people for Alliance. How did I do that? Me do that. Cartel, none of them out of Alliance can style me. Them owe me for life. So all of the fans them a kill up themselves and I kick. Them owe me for life. And me say 2 grand. Take on the road. And you know what that do for 2 grand? That make 2 grand become as powerful as Scrappy. Remember Scrappy are the boss, you know. 2 grand was the youth who are roll with Scrappy, you know. Zine? When me do that with Scrappy down, with 2 grand. 2 grand start, remember, my name, my boss, I say, attest new selector, you know. I burn down the place, you know. But a 2 grand have all of my tape them. All of my recording them are 2 grand of them. So people have to start, check 2 grand. People have to start link 2 grand for Foota hype tape them. Foota hype recording them are 2 grand of them. Till one night time, Peter and Ninja them have link 2 grand. Cause everybody I call them and say, yo, want Foota hype CD, you want that dance there. Let's turn them up here, that, this, that. Them thing they help make the Alliance artists them great. Cause me in the road more than them every night. Tonight we there Mobile, next night we there Sentence, next night we there so this is they used to have Tuesday even. You used to have yellow them down a Negril. I keep something when they hype Mondays we there everywhere. And everywhere we go, Alliance them are getting at them head. So when you hear me talk, me not listen when idiot a chat. And me. And Bounty Killer go no Gaza. And me go no Gully. And Bounty Killer endorse it. Can me boss Movado. And no Killer. Killer endorse Movado. And me boss Movado. And we can say that straight and plain anyway. And we can prove it too. So when we hear on attack, I laugh if I want to know. Can none of them idiots who are ball about Gaza and do nothing for Gaza. Me and no Gaza, and me do more for Gaza than anyone I want to wear a chat. You understand? And years me I do it for. No boy can size up with me. And no boy can come tell me nothing. No, tell me nothing. A bounty killer said to me, say, cartel. I him. Me show you our logics now. I want to know about music. Zin? Can you feel like artists just get up and answer? Remember, when cartel arise, you have a thing named juggling. Zin? Then time the juggling around the place. You have to know how to play a particular artist in a juggling for boss him. Cartel nana control, Marshall nana control, Bling Dog nana control, Elephant nana control over how we play the music them. And we have to decide to play the music how we want to play it. One specific craft how we have when we play the music them. Sizzler always a hit on the rhythm them. Capleton always a hit on the rhythm them. Bounty a hit on the rhythm them. Beanie a hit on the rhythm them. Alright in the mix that we drop cartel them. We could remember say them time the rhythm of 20 and 30 songs. We are gonna pick out the best 6 or the best 7 songs out of the whole 30. Imagine if we did just play a cartel song as the first song on the rhythm. And then play the top 5, the Ellie, the Capleton, the Beanie, the Bounty. Up there, sir. And left out cartel. Play cartel way down in front. How to that work? But no. We put him right there, so Beanie and Bounty there, or Bounty and Sizzler, or Ellie and Blood Clot Beanie. So we got Beanie, Cartel, Ellie. So you know the hottest mix. We got Bounty, Cartel, Ellie. That's how we have to do it. That's how we have to do it. To keep you right there, so. Because if we don't play you in a them segment there, you can't boss. Them time that there was no fucking internet. I wonder if you remember that. There was no internet. So the selector have to know how to play you. Remember say one at a time when me a bust Movado, you know. To how me a play Movado right there with the big giant artist, you know. One of the giant artists. Me not call him name today. Call me. The man say, "Ah, over song that you play." And I say, "No, my artist, man. Movado, man." The man say, who name Movado?" I say, "My youth, you always see me. You look a black ugly one. Yo, so you put up the man song more than my song." I say, "Because I'm an artist." The man I wonder how that song you reach in the mix with we, the giant them. But that's where the selector come in. And that's when the selector have real love for the artist. Then time that the artist not a fan base. Then time that the artist not a entourage. Then time that the artist not a money. The artist not a house. The artist not a car. The artist hungry like what? But the love and the belief. When we after the artist, we put the artist right side of Sizzler, right side of Ellie, right side of Capleton, right side of Killer, right side of Beanie Man in a heavy juggling. So when you hear the recording go road now, because you don't understand the craft, you know. When the recording go road and the artist juggling a play, but you hear this little song right in the middle of the juggling them, that CD here, that next CD here, because a live dance, me no do mix. Me no make mix. A live dance me do. When you get my live dance then, you hear real Mackay with Bounty, you hear real Mackay with Sizzler. You say, who that little singer ya? And him sound so good. So you start get to love it. Remember in a them time there too. Come on people to understand the logistics of this thing. In a them time there, radio man now play certain song. We in a dancehall have dancehall lock till radio man have to take the same dirty song where them say them no want play cause it too dirty and go edit that blood clot and play it on radio because of how we are dealing with the road. But somehow you don't know that. causing it some little jit. We just come know about social media. So no disrespect the work we put in. Only disrespect the work where we the glory where we get artists. Radio man used to have to take our dirty song them and edit them and play up on radio because the song them too big.